So, we're already aware of all the tornado outbreaks that's been going on all over. Mostly over in Kentucky and Missouri, I think. Yeah, Missouri. However, this is a little bit of a weird fun fact. If it wasn't for wars in the past, an actual all-out war, such as World War I or I think World War II, 1 to 2, we wouldn't have what we have today. And you may be trying to figure out what that is. Well, we all look at it every day. And if there is something coming, we'll look at it more than once a day. We'll look at it maybe like 50 to 100 times a day. I know I do. And it's just by stepping outside and looking at the clouds. You see dark, you see light. Okay, what do you first do? You look on your radar. That's it right there, radar. Because it's kind of fun how every time you look at a radar, you're looking at something that was made specifically for a war for that time. I mean, there is a video you could watch. I don't do links. But it's like how to read radar. And honestly, the only thing I am missing from reading a radar is a velocity. Like, I'm not becoming a meteorologist. No. I'm more of a tech person in audio than I am a meteorologist. But I'm only doing things that can help me and my family get to safety in case the worst one happens. And the only thing I am missing is a velocity scan. It's like a radar, but velocity only. But if you think about it, if it wasn't for a war, we wouldn't have a radar. And how was that? Well, World War I or World War II, I cannot remember which one they said it, or he said it. But it was where they were using a radar to detect the enemies. Okay, echoing. Okay, there's something out there. Beware, there's something out there. But, however, the same radar they were using was picking up rain precipitation or snow precipitation. Now, since scientists gather around, whoa, this thing can pick up this, we could use that heavily. Now, fast forwarding to today, we have like maybe 200 radar sites because of that little thing. Now we can detect storms, we can detect anything in the atmosphere that a satellite cannot see. All thanks to a war. Like, thanks to these wars we have, we're actually having useful technology today. And not only that, but if you really look at some of these meteorologist radars, they're not new. They're actually outdated. Well, actually, they're not outdated. They're up to date, but they're old. Like, they've been sitting there for maybe 20, 30 years, but they're still heavily good. And it just, wow, something from the past is helping us today. But nobody likes wars, but look at what we're using from that age, a radar.